question, and it taps into a philosophical debate, kind of a motto of OpFocus. That said, we are flexible and we'll work with our clients, but one of the things that we like to focus, at least on the SaaS growth advisory practice, is focus on business process before purchasing a new tool. One of the things that we've seen is that some companies tend to lean on the tool to solve all their problems first, before recognizing what are the outcomes that they want to implement, what is the data that they need, how are they going to use that data, how is it going to serve the business. So what I would say, whenever it comes to adding a new technology to your tool, what I would say is a key step is making sure that the teams that would be benefiting from that tool are aligned on the outcomes and the business process that are going to be impacted by that tool. Often you have a few stakeholders making that purchasing decision, or you may have an executive stakeholder that is saying, you know, that's it, I hate Pardot, I'm switching to Marketo, or I hate HubSpot and I'm switching to Pardot, or you know, we're just making the move over here, or go buy this other tool, I'm done with this conversation. I've seen it quite a bit, and what I have seen as far as what allows you to be successful in implementing those tools is to, at some point, think strategically about the business process, how you're going to leverage it, and how it's going to work within your system. That said, there's a few exercises beforehand, and I mentioned in that checklist, that talking about, say, your customer lifecycle, understanding the flow of how a prospect can flow, and what teams need to be involved from your company's perspective, in advancing that prospect to a customer and making sure that they're a fantastic advocate of your product.